We live in the most exciting times ever. The application you see on the screen right now took me 1 weekend to build and to make fully functional. This is an application that is going to be used internally for now, and then we're probably going to turn this into a SaaS to sell to high-ticket businesses to create their offer, refine their offer, and generate any sales and marketing assets that they need. So generating sales videos, booking videos, application questions, landing pages, complete sales scripts, video ads, text ads, and email and SMS follow-ups for their businesses. So this is already fully functional. What I want to show you in this video is actually how I've actually built this entire application in just 1 weekend. And I didn't even work all weekend. I worked Saturday, maybe just the afternoon on the back end, and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on the front end, what you are seeing here, the chat and pretty much everything in here. So we're gonna get started with the backend. So for the backend, I used Poppy AI to create this entire automation that you can see on the screen in here. So we have different chats in here. So Poppy is basically a drag and drop platform where you can create AI chats and now AI agents to have them do whatever you want them to do. So the first one in here is an offer builder. So we can ask it to create a new offer with the offer creation guide that I've created, refine an offer, and finally the end goal is to generate an offer worksheet that is going to be stored in here. And you can edit this as much as you want to then generate all of your marketing assets from this offer worksheet. So that will make sure that all the marketing assets are congruent, from the ads to the landing page to the sales video to the application questions to the emails, everything in the backend to be able to help you scale your business faster and further than ever before. So this is the first AI chat that I have created. Then we have the VSL masterclass. So once again, I have a masterclass, a video sales letter, a webinar. So different businesses are going to need different style of sales videos. So we can analyze the offer and determine what to create from this offer. And we have some videos here about VSLs and some of the SOPs that I have created as well. VSL best practices, these kind of things, to really come up with the best results possible. Then we have booking videos. So the booking videos are the thank you video, the bounce videos on the page, the trust building videos to overcome people's objections before they jump on the call and do their due diligence on you and your business. Next up, we have the landing page in here. So the entire copy, from, let me show you, header, headline, option, subheadline, bullet points, social proof, urgency and scarcity, the call to action, the risk reversal, and the guarantee. So pretty much everything you need. Ads, so we're going to be able to record, so to generate text ads, video ads, and finally application questions, a full sales script adapted to your business. So literally this thing is a beast. So you have the entire sales script generated for you in here. So you don't have to worry about what to say and how to say it on your sales calls anymore. You have all the objections that you can overcome in advance to practice with your sales team if you have a sales team, or yourself if you're taking the calls yourself. And finally, we have the follow-up email sequence. We have the calls booked email sequence. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward and pretty in-depth as well. I created all of these SOPs because I've been doing this for quite a while, and so far I've helped over like 1,000 high-ticket businesses to start and scale their businesses online. And since I had my agency, I was like, it's taking way too much time for me to generate all of these marketing assets. And when I do, clients are actually not happy with the results because it doesn't come from them. So that solves this problem. So first we have the client generate their offer, refine their offer with the help of AI to really make sure that we guide them in the right direction. They only have one person that they are speaking to, a main problem that they are solving, a main promise that they are making. They are clear on the process that they are using to solve people's problems. And then we have the packaging, the pricing, pretty much everything in here. So they have an offer worksheet that is crystal clear and is going to allow us to generate all of the marketing assets that is congruent from start to finish. So basically what I have here is we are on the highest plan for Poppy and we have access to their API. So by having access to their API, so the problem with this is now we can create chatbots with Poppy, but you can't have a, so we can only, if someone has the link, basically everyone, they can share it with everyone. So we don't want that. We actually want to have a branded app like the one you're seeing right now to actually be able to control the output and to control who has access to the app and who is going to be able to use this. So then turning it into a SaaS and be able to make money from this. So this was the backend. Now for the front end, what I've done is I used Replit. So Replit is an app that you can use to develop web apps as well. And the craziest thing is you can use it on your phone as well. They have an application, a mobile application that's super well done. And that is going to allow you to create basically everything you need and basically everything you see right here. So we have a login and logout system. We can add more people to the, let me show you. If I log in with this. So now we have an admin panel and we can add people, say if they are active, we can remove the user. It's I've done this in one day. It's crazy. So then we have the offer worksheet, so we can generate this. So when the offer worksheet is not created, you can see that all of the bots are locked. So what you need to do is actually create your offer worksheet first, and then the offer worksheet is going to be sent to, oops, I closed it, to all of these bots to then generate the right VSL, the right booking videos, specifically with the offer worksheet that we have created. So literally all you have to do really is making sure that you're clear on your offer, and then it's going to unlock everything for you, and you will be able to have access to the sales video builder or to pretty much everything here to generate your VSLs and everything you need. So once you have the offer worksheet dialed in here, you will have access to different chats. So if I go to the sales video builder in here, we can see that it generated a sales video for us. And based on the offer worksheet that we have here, so with the prospect, the problem, the promise, the process, the packaging, the pricing, the protection, the presenter, so this is where it has the information about me, and the pitch on the VSL, what we are actually promoting on this VSL. And then we have the entire script, objection, what this is for, call to action, book your system installation call, and even gives you tips on how to record the video. It's insane. So yeah, that's how it works. I just wanted to show you guys what I've done, and Replit is super easy. Honestly, what I'm doing is created successfully, but it's not unlocking the offer builder, and I can't find it. So literally what I do here is I chat with the bot, and let me show you some previous history on here. I don't know if the app failed to run. Please log in to debug and fix it. Here's the full error. Just want to make sure. So when I try to log in with the user, it says invalid credential. Please try again. I can see the correct user. Blah blah blah. So basically, I was just talking with it. I still have an error. Here's what I've sent. Okay, let's continue the conversation. So I was working with the API of Poppy, and just to make sure that everything was included in here. So literally just telling it, here's what I want, please build it. And then it just goes ahead and build it. And when I try to do something and it gives me an error, I just tell it, here's the error, please go ahead and fix it. And most of the time it's going to fix the error by itself because it's testing the app. And yeah, so it's crazy. I just wanted to share this with you guys on video because we live in a crazy time. And if you're someone who has an idea, now you can make it happen in just a matter of a weekend. And literally this thing was something that I've tried to do in the past, and I tried different AI systems and I was like, oh, it's not going to be gated. So I created GPTs, and as soon as you have a GPT, everybody can have access to this GPT. So that solves this issue. And Poppy is so easy to use. You can add and remove any assets that you want. So yeah, if you want to do something similar, I will put the link for Poppy below this video. I will put the link for Replit below this video. That helps me keep creating content like this. Use the link below. There's going to be affiliate links. I get a small commission for every one of you who purchase. It's not going to affect the price for you at all. And I get a small commission for showing you guys what I'm building and what I'm doing, and hopefully inspiring you to make your ideas a reality and go out there and build some cool things. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. If you want to join my school community, I will put the link as well below this video. It's free to join. I'm going to share a lot more systems that I'm building. And that's it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.